All right, we got another cat shield video today. This is for a 07 to 21 Tundra 4-wheel drive. They also got the optional rear shield add-on for the 4-wheel drive, so we'll be putting those on as well. Like my other cat shield videos, I usually skip to open this. What the fuck? There we go. I usually skip to step 3, assemble the shield, because you have to assemble it before you put the shield up. So I'm gonna get that put together real quick and then we'll come back. All right, wings are on, cat shield's together. These will go on in, step 5. So step 5, you do the rear ear tabs, but the wings, this replaces step 5. So these holes in the back, these holes in the back, instead of just bolting it to the cross member, you're gonna add the rear wings to cover the rear cat. So when we get to step 5, if you're doing that, you'll follow that. If you don't have the add-on, you'll just do it as normal. So it also comes with a riv nut. Comes with a riv nut installation tool too, right there and right there. So you're gonna put them in the transmission cross member. If it's 4-wheel drive, obviously the transfer case will be there. If not, trans will just stop right there and these 2 holes. All right, that's the provided tool, and this is how you put these in. Just get it snug. You should feel it, and then loosen the 10 while holding the 14, and you can pull the whole tool out after that. And then repeat for the other hole. There it is installed, nice and flush, and it's a press fit, so once you tighten it down, it expands in there and it'll just stay in there and you can use it to, it's now a threaded hole. And we're gonna do the other one real quick and then get back to it. All right, time to install the main shield. Everything going grab seal. The grab shield. There's 2 small ones are right there.
So you place it and I'll hold it.
So this guy's gonna go down there. I'm gonna go through. So find the hole. Alright. Back through. Put washer. Started.
Get another one.
And then I'll get this front one right here. Through.
Don't be touching on me.
Started. Let it hang. Put these guys in next.
Oh, bitch, you weren't lying. That is heavy.
Yeah, I told you, this was a lot heavier than the 4Runner one we just did.
Good thing I did my 120. I don't have to take that off again.
Yep.
I got it.
I'm trying to do it without taking that transfer case.
Yeah, we can do it without taking the transfer
Skid
case.
plate off, so.
We got it.
Y'all can take the transfer case skid off, but it's not necessary. Now, do another front one, but This is where step 5, if you have the rear guards, it will differ. Again, I just use the impact driver to snug them because I'm not trying to use hand tools for that long. Okay. These have a different bit. That's installed. Now this is where I said it differs. Rear wings go in this hole, that, which I see now. This has to come out. So we'll leave that one installed so it'll stay up there. Okay. So, this back in there. Come on. From there. It'd be a little tight, little tricky, but it's doable. I might add, if you're doing this with these rear wings, make sure the truck is cool. My hand is right there on the cat. And that wouldn't feel very good. So, that one. Now we'll do this one. Now that this is in, we can tighten that one up. There we go. That one in. This one out. And then just snug it. Should already have my washer up there. Yep. And again, this guy right through there. Don't drop it. One of those days, you know. There we go. Can you grab the impact driver? Yeah, good thing the truck is cold. I'm right on the cat. Now, let's torque everything. These should already be tight. Cool. This one is gonna be our problem child. Yeah, I keep it know everything. Now, what is our torque spec? So we have M6 and M8 in this one. Most of the time we just have M8, but M6 are those small ones. M8 are all the other ones. Here are your torque specs, 80 to 100 inch-pounds, and then 60 to 80 inch-pounds. I don't think we have any, no, we don't have any N10s, so grab the torque wrench. So we're at 80 inch-pounds for this one. £80 inch-pounds. And that one I can't get the torque wrench in, so y'all are just gonna have to trust me that I torqued it. Do it the old school way. 1/4 inch bit driver, 6mm wrench. Yep. Do it this way. Oh yeah. Bit ratchet in there. So if you do it the way I am, not removing this, you can feel the torque once you torque this one. So put your bit ratchet, feel the torque, now just match it. Obviously that comes with some skill. We've been doing this for quite some time, but right, click. So now we'll go back to torquing them. So now we'll set it to 100 inch-pounds. Okay. Yeah. Hold on. I don't want to do angle. Come on. God damn it. Technical difficulties with the torque wrench. Alright. I hit the angle button and we're not doing angles, so we're doing inch-pounds. Here we are, 100 inch-pounds. Now, all of these are M8, so you're gonna have to get in here, hold that, come back to those. Alrighty, so I'm gonna go through and torque the remaining 4. All right, so final torque on the last four. Come on. That one. Ah, 97. There we go. Anywhere from 80 to 100. This vehicle drives on dirt pretty much every day, so we're gonna go with 100 inch-pounds. There we go. Now, everything's installed, rear guards are installed, and this is what it looks like. Good theft deterrent. Covers your primary cats, covers your secondary cats. There you have it. Optional last step. Pop your sticker on. This customer doesn't want a sticker, but like the one I have on the 4Runner, I put it on there. They're there if you want them.